Hey guys, my name is Shahir Sai from TechRace, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows computer. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is download CCleaner. It's a great program for getting rid of all the junk on your computer, and the free version is just as great. So I'll leave the link in the description below. So now let's just click download. You want to click start download, automatically start downloading. You want to keep the file. After it finishes loading, you want to open it up. Click yes. I would like to install. And you want to run the cleaner. So this is what you'll see when you run the cleaner. So first you would like to analyze all the things. So what this does is analyze all this crap on your computer that you do not need, or just duplicates and etc. So that's what it will do right now. The first time you do this, it will take a while, but it gets quicker and quicker over time. Sometimes you'll need to close a program to clean it or analyze it. You just click yes, so automatically close the application. And if it takes too long to close, you would have to force close and click yes again. So now that it's finished analyzing, what you would like to do is click Run Cleaner. So what this does is permanently delete all the unnecessary files from your system. You can check over the files if you want to, but I'm just going to click OK for now. Alright, now it has finished cleaning. There's other options as well, as this registry cleaner, where it gets rid of all the random unnecessary extensions and DLLs and unnecessary runs, and you can check all the things that run as startup and all those unnecessary things, and it will scan for the issues. As you can see, there are quite a lot. These little things just slow your computer down because you have to process them, and just slows your computer down. When it's done scanning for the issues, you just want to click Fix all selected issues. If you want to back up to the registry, you could do that also, but I don't want to. Just click No and just click Fix all selected issues, and you're done. So the next thing you want to do to speed up your computer is go into your Windows menu and search up Run. So you want to type in %, temp, and another %, click OK, and you want to delete everything in here. These are just unnecessary files. So click A, click delete. These are just temporary files and you don't need them. And some don't work, you just skip them. And you just deleted 900 or less or more unnecessary temporary files. And you would also like to delete that from your recycling bin also. So another thing you want to do is find a program that is taking a lot of CPU power. So right now the most is my screen recorder, but it might be different for you here. There's a lot of programs running in the background. You want to see which one is taking up the most memory and the most CPU. And you just find the one with the highest number, and you'd like to either delete it or end the task by simply clicking on it and end task. Another thing you could do to reduce CPU usage and memory usage is look at the programs tray and to see which programs are running in the background. So right now I have NVIDIA and CCleaner running in the background. I also have this Flux. I can turn that off. I can turn this one off also, my antivirus program. and just see what unnecessary programs here that you don't need running in the background, and you just turn it off there. Another thing you could do is run an antivirus program, because maybe the reason that your computer is slow is because there's a virus on it and it's slowing your computer down. All you have to do is scan it. So I don't really need to scan for your virus, but if you don't want to download another antivirus program, you can just use the default Windows Defender, which is just as great, and you just do a quick scan and it'll usually get rid of any bad viruses. And another thing you can do is run disk cleanup. So you just search up disk cleanup in the Windows menu, click on it, and you can choose which drive you want to clean up. You can use if you have only one drive, which is your C drive, I'll choose that. Click OK. Calculating how much space it'll be able to free up. Since there's random files that take up space, which also slow down your computer. And you can just click here, select the things you want to remove. The ones I have is the recycling bin selected, since there's 160 megabytes of unnecessary data there. Temporary internet files, thumbnails, temporary files, and etc. Then you would like to click clean up system files. You would need administrative privileges to do this. You click OK, and it'll calculate. And then it's done. And then you just click OK, and then you click delete files. And then I'll clean up the drive, and then you're done for that one. Another thing you can do is actually disable system animations. So how you do that is go to Control Panel, go into your computer, you go into here, and then you go to System, and then you want to click on Advanced System Settings. You would need administrative privileges to do this. Then you click on Performance, go to Settings, and you can see there's a lot of animation controls. And you can just click on Animation Adjust for best performance. What this does, it will get rid of all the animations. But if you do not want that, you can just choose what you want. So you can disable Enable Peak, and you can disable animation taskbar. You can disable animations when minimizing or maximizing. So if I apply that, so what it does, instead of it just goes away just like that. So there's no animation when that occurs. There's no animations, just pops up and goes away. The next thing you want to do is uninstall programs you do not want, or do not need. So you just go to uninstall, go to programs and features in the control panel, and you like to find programs you do not use and do not need. So for example, I do not need this. I just click uninstall. So after you finish installing, you can uninstall the programs you don't need. You can just close out. And another tip you can use to speed up your computer is going into your command prompt, right clicking, and run as administrator. Click yes. Then you would like to type in sfc /scan now. So what this does, it repairs all the drivers and the things that weren't working but should work, and repairs the files that you need. And so this will help speed up your computer because it repairs all the drivers and etc. So I do not need to use this now, so I'll close out of here. The last option you have is reinstall Windows, and that's if everything I just showed you didn't work out and your computer is just still oddly slow. You would have to reinstall Windows fresh. So yeah, and that's all for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful to you, please subscribe, even leave a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.